हेलो ट्रेडर्स। माय नेम इज विशाल। और आज के मेंटोरिंग सक्सेस वीडियो में हमारे साथ हैं वैभव शाह एंड कुणाल शाह। बोथ ऑफ देम आर फुल टाइम ट्रेडर्स। वैभव शाह इज actually a plastic manufacturer, was a plastic manufacturer. I think in last couple of years he has closed down his business completely and jumped into full time trading. He's a pretty much successful trader, trading in futures and cash market. And Kunal Shah is a leather manufacturer. He's also a businessman, and he's also doing his full time trading. Now this will be extremely astonishing. काफी आपको ये अचंभा होगा सुन के कि एक बिजनेसमैन फुल टाइम ट्रेडिंग कैसे कर सकता है। तो ये जानने के लिए वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहें। और ये एक मिथ है कि अगर आप एक बिजनेस करते हो तो फुल टाइम ट्रेडिंग नहीं कर सकते हो। ऑलराइट, सो फर्स्ट आई विल स्टार्ट विद वैभव। इस वीडियो में हमारा मोटिव क्या है? इस वीडियो में मेरा ये मोटिव नहीं है कि वैभव ने कितने पैसे बनाए या कुणाल शाह ने कितने पैसे बनाए। वॉट वी वॉन्ट टू डू इज वी वॉन्ट टू शेयर आर स्टोरीज कि बेसिकली हम मिले कैसे, ट्रेडिंग कैसे स्टार्ट की, व्हाट ऑल डिफिकल्टीज वी फेस्ड, कैसे उन्होंने सॉल्व की अपने एंड पे। एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे सब लोग बात करते हैं ज्यादा से ज्यादा मनी फ्रीडम का, राइट? बट इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट टाइम फ्रीडम, which is very important, especially if you surpass the age of 35 and 40. I am 44 right now. So I hope all of you will enjoy this video, value this video, and learn something from this video. So let's start. Vaibhav, over to you.
Okay, sir. So, first of all, I got introduced to you and the workshop with my friend Anuj. He contacted me with you, and since then the journey has been pretty smooth. I will not say that सिर्फ one side movement देखिए, our portfolio has only been growing. No, it was ups and downs. But the journey was exciting. The journey was fun. उसकी प्रीवियस लाइफ मेरी कुछ ऐसी थी कि जनरली जो भी बिजनेसमैन होता है ना सर, उसका कैसा है कि ही हैज टू बी इन्वॉल्व इन हिज बिजनेस 24/7, आई बिलीव।
True.
वर्किंग आवर्स, अगर मतलब मेरे वर्किंग आवर्स शायद 14 या 16 घंटे होंगे पर डे के। आई यूज टू बी अवेलेबल ऑन कॉल्स,
Yeah.
सुबह 7 बजे से लेकर रात को 1-2 बजे तक, सो दैट इज ओके। बट एवरी बिजनेस, चाहे आप रिटेलर हो, चाहे आप होलसेलर हो, या चाहे आप मैन्युफैक्चरर हो इन इंडिया, या शायद वर्ल्ड वाइड भी, आई डोंट नो, बट यू हैव टू बी 24/7 अवेलेबल। तो ही वो बिजनेस ग्रो करता है।
True. मैं एग्री करता
तो
हूँ।
या तो ट्रेडिंग से क्या हुआ सर कि एक तो वर्किंग आवर्स लिमिटेड हो गए। फ्रॉम 9 o'clock to 3:30 आपको वर्क करना पड़ता है।
Right.
So the balance time you get free. So you can plan your day, with respect to giving time to your family, giving time to your friends, doing activities for yourself, focusing on your health after 3:30,
True.
all of that. So that is the thing. ट्रेडिंग में बस एक ही मैं बोलना चाहूंगा कि ट्रेडिंग में हॉलीडे नहीं मिलते आपको। So
There are
either
no
you are
holidays in
here,
trading.
yeah.
Correct.
So either you are here, either you are in any part of the world, you need to trade. So I remember, in the earlier part of this year, I was on a 1 month vacation to UK, and from there also I used to trade, be it in morning early hours. But yes, so there are no trading holidays. You have to work. You have to be active in the markets.
Right.
But that is fun. I mean, I don't think कोई भी businessman को holiday मिलते हैं in their lives.
मैं इसको अलग तरीके से बोलूंगा। मैं इसको बोलूंगा कि ऐसा कौन सा बिजनेस है जिसमें मेरा बिजनेस चल भी रहा है और मैं साथ में वेकेशन भी कर रहा हूँ। आई विल पुट इट दैट वे।
So,
तो एंड आई
agreeing
थिंक
to
शायद
you.
शायद ऐसे भी कुछ ट्रेडर्स होंगे जिनके हॉलीडेज पूरे, अगर वो ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं तो वो ट्रेडिंग से उनका पूरा हॉलीडे स्पॉन्सर हो जाता है उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम में।
Yeah, in fact, I'll come to that कि मेरा ट्रिप का सारा खर्चा जो है वो वहीं से निकल गया था,
अच्छा।
प्रॉफिट्स में से।
ओके,
यस।
नाइस। ओके।
So that was a good experience.
राइट।
Apart from that, अगर I agree with you, तो या अगर मैं previous business में होता तो मुझे शायद इतना लंबा हॉलीडे नहीं मिलता जो मैंने
नहीं
अभी एंजॉय
मिलता।
किया था।
आई एग्री विद दैट।
Yeah. So yes, you have to adjust to the markets, whatever timings they are, but
हम्म।
uh, it is uh, it is fun, the markets. So
करेक्ट।
yeah, abhi, when the transition happened from my business to the trading business, I could focus more on my health. I started swimming. I learned swimming, in fact. मुझे उसके पहले नहीं आती थी।
ओ, ओके।
Yeah, then I joined a couple of cricket teams जहाँ से मैं अभी season ball cricket खेलता हूँ, which is my passion. So yeah, I can give more time to my friends, more time to my family, enjoy a good lifestyle. So that's about it. Uh,
तो प्लास्टिक मैन्युफैक्चरर कम ट्रेडर कम स्विमर कम क्रिकेटर नाउ।
yes. More than that,
Great,
in fact.
great. So are you enjoying this lifestyle?
या एंजॉइंग मतलब आई कैन नॉट, अगर आप मुझे 5 साल पहले पूछते कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ लाइफ डू यू इमेजिन, तो मैं अपने
True.
सपनों में भी नहीं बोलता कि दिस इज द लाइफ दैट आई वुड इमेजिन फॉर माई सेल्फ.
And how was your life earlier? Only in terms of availability of time for your spouse, your children, for yourself.
सर ऐसा ऐसा है कि हर एक बिजनेसमैन को इन्वॉल्व रहना पड़ता है 14 to 16 आवर्स, तो सारा टाइम तो बिजनेस में निकल जाता है.
Okay.
या देयर वर पैचेस इन विच यू कैड गिव टाइम
Patches.
टू देम और एंजॉय विद देम,
But
बट
it's
अभी
not
जो
fulfillment completely.
फुलफिलमेंट, यस, एग्री.
True, true.
तो जैसे हमारी बात होती है कि अभी साल के 3 से 4 हॉलीडेज होते हैं, तो पहले एक साल में एक हॉलीडे होता था या 2 साल में एक हॉलीडे होता था वैसे.
True, 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 true.
सो दैट इज अ मेजर चेंज. एंड यस आई कैन, मैंने पहले भी आपको बताया कि देयर वर टाइम्स व्हेन इवन नॉर्मल मार्केट आवर्स में आई यूज्ड टू ड्रॉप माय डॉटर टू द स्कूल, पिक हर अप फ्रॉम द स्कूल, जब मार्केट चालू भी रहते थे. सो द सिस्टम
Correct.
गिव्स मी दैट लीजर कि मैं ऑन द गो भी उसको ऑपरेट कर सकता हूँ, मॉनिटर कर सकता हूँ द प्राइस.
See, I am also a father of daughter, so I can understand what is the bond between a father and a daughter, which is unbreakable. And you will get more time to spend with your daughter. I can complete. It's very emotional, but it is extremely important. And this is the time when you give more time to them, so they will have more time for you when you grow up. It's as simple as that.
True. Currently, though, enjoying this phase of me giving more time to her,
True.
enjoying her every small moment, small successes, everything.
And
So,
इसमें और एक मैं पॉइंट ऐड करना चाहूंगा, एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दिस इज हैपनिंग विद बोथ ऑफ यू बिकॉज इट्स हैपनिंग विद मी टू. When we talk about men, see, generally men, women have different responsibility. Men have different responsibilities, and even women, in fact, I would say men, women both, दोनों को खुद के लिए उतना टाइम नहीं निकाल पाते. Like women are busy with their families, taking care of their in-laws, घर का काम. If she is a working woman, then possibly she is taking care of her office responsibilities. Similarly, if men are, then they are involved in taking care of the expenses, business या job चल रहा है. तो इसमें आई फील खुद का टाइम के भाई चलो मुझे टीवी देखना है या मुझे स्विम करना है, इसका टाइम मिलता ही नहीं है. आई एम प्रिटी श्योर बाय प्लेइंग क्रिकेट एंड स्विमिंग एंड एवरीथिंग यू कैन से दैट दिस इज नॉट जस्ट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग फॉर योर हेल्थ, but you are enjoying doing it. That is the
absolutely
most
correct, sir.
important thing.
I agree to that, sir.
Right, right, right. And what all difficulties you face? Because initially काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जो बोलते हैं ट्रेडिंग इज वेरी इजी, बट मैं ये बोलूंगा कि ट्रेडिंग इज अ पर्टिकुलर business which is simple, but it is not easy. It takes over a period of time for a layman to become a trader, and from a amateur trader to become a successful trader. So what were all the difficulties which you faced, so you can just share with others?
I remember one of the quote that you have shared previously, that trading is the hardest way to make the easiest money.
True.
तो मेरे ख्याल से इमोशनल एंड मेंटल ब्लॉक ज्यादा होते हैं विद रिस्पेक्ट टू
Correct.
ट्रेडिंग, अदर देन
Correct.
जस्ट डूइंग बाय एंड सेल थिंग. बिकॉज मेरे पास भी जब लोग आते हैं, व्हेन दे स्पीक टू मी दैट
True.
इट इज जस्ट यू हैव टू बाय एंड सेल, तो मैं उनको ये बोलता हूँ इट इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट बाइंग एंड सेलिंग, यू हैव टू कीप योर काम माइंड. जिसके लिए मेडिटेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
बिल्कुल.
यू हैव टू एक्ट इन अ सेम मैनर, जहाँ पे पीपल लूज आउट ऑन इमोशंस. जहाँ पे अगर स्टॉप्स ट्रिगर होते हैं, तो मेरे ख्याल से बहुत सारे लोग स्टॉप्स नहीं ट्रिगर करते होंगे, या सही मोमेंट पे एंट्री नहीं ले पाते होंगे बिकॉज ऑफ द फियर कि शायद मार्केट यहाँ से घूम जाएगा.
Hmm.
बट बिलीविंग इन योर सेल्फ, बिलीविंग इन द सिस्टम, बिलीविंग इन द प्रोसेस ऑल टुगेदर, एंड जो कंसिस्टेंटली जो प्रोसेस को फॉलो करेगा, आई गेस देन देयर इज नो गोइंग बैक विद रिस्पेक्ट टू
Correct.
ट्रेडिंग.
Correct. Correct. So this is one small message from Vaibhav to whoever is watching this video. Okay, to reach to a level where you are enjoying your life, again I'm not talking about money, I'm talking about time freedom. So to reach there आपको ये सब चीजों से सरपास होना पड़ेगा. And understanding a trading system is doable. Understanding the position sizing is extremely doable. It's very simple. But to trade in the market with real money and make money out of it, and even stand in the market when markets are not very good to you, to your trading account, that's the most difficult part. It's not impossible, but it will take some time. You will possibly initially fail. Maybe you will make lesser amount of money than what other people are making around you in the trading community. But अगर आप डटे रहे, if you stick to your plan, तो धीरे 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 आप अपने प्रॉफिट्स को ग्रो होते हुए देखोगे, एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर even Kunal and Vaibhav, both of them would have gone through this patch where initially they were not having very good trades, they were having average trades, bad trades, then slowly and steadily with time I think they progressed. Correct?
Absolutely,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. So thank you, Weber, for sharing all your inputs. Now I think
Sir, I should be thanking
yeah,
you, in fact. You know, that the way you've transformed my life completely. I mean, I can just see a 360-degree change in me with respect to what my previous life was and what my current life is. So, yeah, I've said it to you n number of times and I'll keep on saying it. That thank you very
you're
much
always
for
welcome,
all
but
your
you should
efforts.
also thank yourself in the mirror while I'll tell you, because not everyone who learns, see, there are so many thousands of people who are doing workshops, okay, who want to trade, who want to get into full-time trading, but not everyone succeeds. Why? Because मैं एक ही चीज बोलूंगा, see, someone can be a little bit fast in learning, someone can be a little bit slow in learning, but ultimately if you have the will to win, नो वन कैन स्टॉप यू. आज नहीं तो 1 साल के बाद होगा, 2 साल के बाद होगा, बट आप लगे रहो. इफ यू हैव द विल, एंड आई विल ऑलवेज से कि ये एक कोट आई थिंक यू हैव टोल्ड मी वैभव, मैंने शायद तुम्हारे व्हाट्सएप पे पढ़ा था, दैट द विल टू सक्सीड इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट देन द टैलेंट. इट इज एज सिंपल एज
True.
दैट. टैलेंट कैन बी, यू मे नॉट बी टैलेंटेड इनिशियली, बट टाइम के साथ वो टैलेंट आप एम्बाइब कर सकते हो. मैं इतना ही बोलूँ. राइट?
Thank you.
या. ऑफ टू यू कुणाल भाई, प्लीज
Uh,
शेयर विथ एवरीवन.
so, sir, I got introduced to you. My mama introduced you to me. This was right after COVID. And being a person who has never traded, this entire world was very new for me. Matlab, I had never even seen the markets before that. So this was a complete new world, something which I never imagined, never even thought that I was going to do. But I learned. You gave me the support. You pushed me. System. Everybody got the system, but you gave me the idea. Ki it's just not the system. It is your persistence and hard work also.
I'll
And
sorry
I
interrupt in between. Please let me interrupt you. Sorry. See, it is not just me. I remember that at that point of time I used to go to gym. Currently, I'm going to swimming. So I remember many of the times he used to call me in evening, that I used to wonder why this guy is calling me. And somehow I used to pick up the phone and talk to you, and you used to update me that Vishal sir, अभी 3 महीने हो गए हैं, 2 महीने हो गए हैं, तो मैंने सोचा मैं आपको कॉल करके बताऊं कि व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एट माय एंड. ओके, दिस वीक आई एम नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर द सेशन बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग आउट दिस दैट. सो चलो अच्छा है, ही इज कीपिंग मी इन लूप एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट्स फाइन. बट स्लोली एंड स्टेडली वेट व्हेन इट हिट 3-4 टाइम्स, 3-4 अपने कॉल्स हो गए, उसके बाद मुझे लगा नहीं, दिस गाय इज कमिटेड. So then even I started paying more attention towards you. So that is the best part. What happens is at times लोग वर्कशॉप करके भूल जाते हैं कि आप, मुझे ज्ञान मिल गया ना, मैं कर लूंगा, कब करूंगा लोगों को पता नहीं. तो इफ यू स्टार्ट डूइंग इमीडिएटली, दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. यस, प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
correct. And then so we emphasize a lot on mind management after that, which was again something which was never a part that I ever thought of. And
राइट.
generally people have this idea trading is some simply, open, buy, sell. That's about it. Nobody thinks of mind management. Nobody thinks of risk management.
राइट.
Nobody gives thought to how to keep yourself calm.
राइट.
These all things just don't exist for people.
ट्रू.
And these were one of the biggest things I took from the workshop, took from you. And mainly, sir, because you follow it and then it gets discussed and you emphasize on it. So somewhere it starts hitting you. And then when you start doing these things, that's when you see the results. But hota kya hai ki most of the people don't have time to do this. Everybody wants to do it, but nobody has the time to do it.
इवन
Like
आई डोंट हैव द
somebody,
टाइम, बट टाइम निकालना पड़ता है.
exactly. So like somebody like me, before I shifted my entire focus to trading,
या.
I had no time, no discipline, no schedule.
ओके.
If I'll end up going to the gym, I'll end up going, हुआ हुआ नहीं हुआ नहीं हुआ, आज का काम कल पे जाता है. All those things used to happen.
ओके.
But somewhere trading adds the discipline to you because 9:15 the bell is going to ring. If you are not there, you are the one who's going to lose.
ट्रू.
You are focused, you know what has to be done. You
ट्रू.
prepare the previous day. You are ready to execute the next day. You are free in the mind. There is no hassle, there is no fog saying what I have to do.
ट्रू.
And in turn, this is all helped me to get so much time for myself. I don't think I have experienced this kind of time or freedom of time in my life before.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
I have time to wake up in the morning, have my coffee peacefully without having any thoughts clustering in my head. It might sound very weird, but it's one of the smallest things, but it's the best way to start your day.
No, I completely agree because I am a tea addict. I would say in the morning, if I don't get tea, like you need coffee, I need tea. Without tea, I cannot function in the morning. And while having tea for that 10-15 minutes, like I would enjoy, like I read news and everything on Twitter. So it's very important because previous to that, I think I left my job in 2010. I used to literally run for the train. ट्रेन के लिए भागना पड़ता था. अभी कुछ नहीं, अभी आराम से. Like that.
So the
Yeah,
same
please
thing.
continue.
I come to the office, do my work, I get time to go back home for lunch. This might sound very crazy for somebody who's trading and handling a business. You get time to go back home for lunch, but this is the freedom that you get
True.
by doing this. Suddenly, I have time to work out, which something again is not what I had experienced previously. And in the middle of all of this, the cherry on the cake was I got time to actually complete my MBA.
Oh, that's amazing.
So it was unbelievable.
Actually, what happens is, Kunal bhai, somewhere in your mind, somewhere in your psychology, see, trading is a business which requires highest amount of discipline. You might be successful in some other business, but that success you may or may not be able to replicate in trading because not everyone is disciplined. So when your discipline is there in trading, somehow it will spill in other different things in your life. It may be your fitness, it may be some other goal in life, but वहां पे आपको दिखाई देगा वो चीज.
Absolutely, sir. And I was always of the notion, I want to do some work where I can travel, I can be anywhere and still not miss out on work. This
So,
happened last year when I was in Canada for 1 month, roughly a month,
okay,
and I still got time to trade. I would not miss a single trading day. I would not miss a single session, in spite of being in another country, in spite of being having the time difference, because I had the liberty of having my laptop sitting
okay,
anywhere, and I could still punch my trades. I could still do my homework. I could still do my research.
true.
So this kind of freedom is something which is very rare in any business, is
So
what
this
I
is
believe.
actually, again, मैं काफी टाइम सोशल मीडिया वगैरह पे मैं ट्रैक देखते रहता हूँ मैं. Pinterest पे ऐसे फोटोग्राफ्स आते हैं. लड़का बैठा हुआ है, लैपटॉप खोल के चार्ट्स, यहाँ पे एक मिल्क शेक है या समथिंग है, एंड सामने पूल है बेसिकली, एंड ही सिटिंग टू ट्रेड. So not exactly like that, but it's somewhere similar, I guess. You are somewhere completely in a different country with a laptop, probably having a cup of coffee and trading. It's a similar story.
Absolutely, sir. And I can actually say this with conviction now that this is possible. Like this life is possible.
True. Over a
The
period of
kind,
time, not
yeah,
immediately. But
definitely, definitely. But the
yes,
kind of time freedom that you
absolutely.
get
Yes.
is uh, is unmatchable.
And along with trading, uh, obviously, आपने कुछ, you must have done some minor or major changes in your business. So has your business got little bit affected in the negative way? No or yes?
No, sir. In fact, it's got a little better. It's because it is more
Acha.
streamlined now.
Okay. Okay.
Because I know that 3:30 I'm going to finish the markets. I'm going to take a break for half an hour.
All right.
And then from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, I know that I have the time to finish everything else. So when
Okay.
it is streamlined, you will end up booking your appointments accordingly. You will end up doing everything to finish in those 2 hours.
Great. Great.
And then so you're done. 6 o'clock, your day is over.
Nice. Amazing. That's really, really amazing. Anything else you would like to share? What difficulties you face? Because again, I don't want people to watch this video and feel that trading is very easy. Oh, I can even have this sort of life. They should also
Not at
know
all.
that both of you have faced difficulties in the start, and then you have been able to, achieve this success over a period of time. Anything you want to
So
share?
initially, it's very difficult to keep yourself calm and keep your mind calm
To very,
when
very
you're seeing live charts.
correct.
So at that point in time, to sit in front of the screen, not to do something wrong, to have the discipline to follow your system to the T, that literally takes a lot out of a person.
Absolutely.
Most of the people think it's very easy कि नीचे गिर रहा है ले लो ना कभी तो ऊपर जाने वाला है. मतलब स्टॉक का पता नहीं, बस शायद इंसान ऊपर चले जाएगा, प्राइस में नहीं आएगा शायद से
Buy
ऊपर।
the dip and you become the dip itself.
Exactly. So to abide by a system,
True.
it becomes very difficult at times. But you have to train your mind to abide by those systems, not given to the greed, not given to the temptations.
Yes.
Even if your study is telling you something, you still stick to your system.
And as Kunal bhai said, train your brain. मैं वापस repeat करूंगा, train your brain. It is very easy to give suggestions to everyone else. Forget about trading in anything else in life. But if how many people can change themselves? So that is where this thing comes. Like you are going to compete against the most difficult, against the most not difficult but intelligent brains in the market. And if you want to compete against them and make money out of the stock market, then you will have to be extremely disciplined. That's what Kunal Bhai is trying to say, right?
Yes, sir. Absolutely, sir.
So I think both of you have shared a lot insights in this video. And before ending, anything else last? Any of you want to share, Vaibhav or Kunal?
May I, sir?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead, please.
Yeah. So, अगर if anybody is watching this video, I just want to tell them that अगर आप कोई भी नया बिजनेस शुरू करते हो,
जी,
you at least take a 2 to 3 years to establish it. मतलब कोई भी
absolutely.
बिजनेस ऐसा नहीं होता
टू
जो
टू
फर्स्ट
थ्री
ईयर
भी
में आपको
कम है,
प्रॉफिट
4 5 भी लग सकते हैं,
ऑन अ
एब्सोल्युटली.
मिनिमम, यस.
या
तो
या
ट्रेडिंग के लिए भी आपको 2 3 साल देना चाहिए. इफ
बिल्कुल
यू
देना
एक्सपेक्ट कि
चाहिए.
अगर आप 6 महीने से प्रॉफिट अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट करना
हाँ
शुरू कर
जी,
देते हो
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
तो
And one
तो
more thing, Vaibhav, I think you started trading in 2021, correct?
21, yes,
But
4th
when
of
did you
January
close down
21.
your business recently?
Absolute 100% close down was on this 31st of March
Ah,
2024.
so it took 3 years for Vaibhav. It took 3 years for him to close down the business. So understand this. If someone wants to do full time trading, then आपको टाइम लगेगा. इसके लिए मैंने एक अलग वीडियो भी शूट किया था कुछ टाइम पहले. I'll share the link at the end of this particular video, so you can just have a look at that. Yes. Thank you so much, Vaibhav. Anything else you want to share? Anyone?
Nothing, but that's it from my
That's
side.
it. All right.
Anything, Kunal bhai?
So just one thing that there is an opportunity to live your life the way you want and grab this freedom of time. It is just a matter of choice that people make.
Time gone is not going to come back.
Definitely
The
not.
time is money.
Definitely not.
So thank you both of you to share a lot of insights in this video. I hope people will benefit, understand, and try to change after watching this video. Thank you both of you, and all the best.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
sir.
Thank you. Yeah.